Hey guys, I hope you guys are well. And guys, as you know, I haven't been posting regularly lately. Um, the weather has been all over the place, non-stop rain, and even we had some snow flurries last week. It's been tough to get outside and film the way I want to. The short days, gray skies, and constant dampness can feel really overwhelming at times, and it's been hard to stay motivated. Winter has this way of making everything feel heavier, and I know I'm not alone in this. Anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that I have decided that I will be painting more in my studio, and I will try to keep posting videos regularly. Thank you so much for sticking with me through the chaos. Your support means everything. So let's begin today's painting. So guys, today I'm going to paint a cozy scene of a cat napping on a lamppost during a sunny winter afternoon. The photo that I'm using for this painting was shared by a very well respected and admired friend on my Facebook, and I think the soft sunlight in this one sets the perfect peaceful vibe, and I really want to capture the warmth of the moment, and I hope that this piece brings you the same sense of calm and comfort that it brought me while I was painting it. Let me know what you think of it. Guys, as you can see, I have already toned the canvas. It's a 6x8 canvas panel, and I'm just sketching out the composition. Now I'm going to block in the local colors. So guys, as you can see, the cat and the lamp on the post are the focal point of this painting, but I don't want to add too much detail in the background, but still I think that this background will be very interesting because it has a lot of light and shadow. So I will not add too much detail, but I'm just focusing on the light and the lighter areas and the darker areas, because I think that this will set the tone of the painting, the mood of the painting. Guys, when you are painting darker areas or shadow areas, you have to keep this in mind that you can use colors. You don't have to just use black, or you don't have to just add black to everything to make it darker. You can actually use different colors, and you have to pay attention to the area that you are painting. Maybe it has a greenish black tone, or maybe it is bluish black, or maybe it is purple black. So those shades add interest in your painting. So that's what I'm trying to do here. I tend to exaggerate colors a little bit, but I think that helps to make your painting interesting. Otherwise it will be very dull and flat. Even though this lamp post looks almost black in this photo, I am not using black here. I'm using a mixture of brown and red and green, I think all the colors, and I've just made a darker blackish color, and I'm even adjusting it according to the shade that I see. In some places I see a little blue shade, so I will just add a little more blue, and in some areas I'm seeing it brownish, so I will just add more brown. So that's how I'm approaching it. I'm not using straight black out of tube, which might be a good idea, but I'm keeping that for the end, where I think that I have to use black. Absolutely, I have to use black, then I will use black, ivory black. At first I was really nervous about painting this texture on the lamppost, but when I started doing it, I was relieved because it was not that hard. You just have to give the impression of the thing. You don't have to paint everything. So I'm just loosely making these marks, and still, believe me, they look real enough. So here you must be thinking why I'm making these marks so tight, because this is the side of the wall, the post. So you have to make every mark very mindfully, because the way you make the mark is going to give the illusion of the reality. So I think that I have achieved the look of the corner of the post. I don't know, maybe you guys don't think that. Just let me know if you think I haven't been able to do that. This lamp is quite intricate and it has a lot of details, but I'm not going to paint all the details, and I'm just looking at shapes and colors. Finally, I'm going to paint the cat. And again, I'm trying not to think too much and just keep looking at one shape at a time. Finally, I'm going to paint the tree behind the lamppost. So here I'm adding some last highlights and details. I hope you guys enjoyed today's painting. Please do leave a comment if you did, or if you have a suggestion to make the paintings better. See you in the next one. Bye.